started a thing this year. This is our first opportunity to have a 5-timers club, where when somebody performs with us 5 times, they win a shirt. Well, this is Bad Sound Confidence's 6th. What? We forgot 5. We missed it. We're supposed to give them shirts last season. But Dave's spreadsheet was broken or something.
What? Yeah, I'm sorry about that.
So we got T-shirts for the band, but Chris, Ignacio's son, is part of the band. He couldn't be here tonight, so he's one of the people that part of the group. And you got 2 new people, so we don't really have shirts. We have shirts for the original members and the ones that did it 5. But we did get shirts for you 2 new members too. Brian spared no expense, and he got shirts for your 2 new members, so they could feel like. Cool.
Can we show them the real shirts first?
You want to show the real shirts?
Yeah, show them the real shirts first.
The real ones.
The real ones.
Like this one.
Yeah.
Oh, you want that first? Okay. Yeah. Okay. This is. It's not 5-timers clubs because we missed it. It's the DNL All-Timers Club shirt. So these are All-Timers Club shirts. But we did make shirts for your 2 other members. Brian got these for us. I have not seen this yet. I'm afraid to look, but there's shirts. Okay, so Brian, you got this one. Oh, cool. It says, I haven't done DNL 5 times yet, so all I get is this dirty ass shirt.
Trade you.
DNL Almost 5-Timers Club. But there's another one. There's another one for the other person in the band. It says, same. I'll put these aside for you, but don't decide.
The marker on that has not dried.
Ladies and gentlemen, your DNL 6-timers, All-Timers, 5-timers, Bad Sound Confidence!
For those of you who don't know us, we are Bad Sound Confidence. We kind of came together during lockdown. We were on all these Zoom calls. We're all special ed teachers. And we're on these Zoom calls, and I would tilt the screen back and make sure that I was on mute so that I could just practice a little bit. And then Johnny found out that I played guitar, and him and Luis were drinking one night. We found out Luis plays drums. So Luis joined us, and then Billy is John's brother, so he has to be in this.
He's stuck with me.
So the first song
Someone shoot me.
the first song we're going to play is called Misery. This is a song that Johnny and Billy wrote way back in the day. You want to set it up real quick, or? No. No?
It was the best space in my life when I was young.
their cover, sing along if you know the
So
words.
there's a place where y'all gonna sing along.
Okay.
I'm not gonna tell you where it is. It's one word. You'll figure it out. Mommy, daddy, look at me. I went to school. I got a degree. All my friends call it the big D. I went to school and I got the big D. I got the big D. I got the big D. It's technically dead, but I went to school and I got the big D. Is your muffin buttered? Would you like us to find someone to butter your muffin? Excuse me? What? Excuse me? What? Hey, you over there, sitting on the couch in your underwear. What are you doing? Sitting down. You should be horizontal now. Technically, you're not a couch. The shit is long. On the shades long, on the shades long, on the shades long, all day long, on the shades long. On the shades long, on the shades long, on the shades long, all day long. On the shades long, on the shades long, on the shades long, all day long, on the shades long. On the shades long, on the shades long, on the shades long, all day long, on the shades long. Now is your mother worried? Would you like us to assign someone to worry your mother? Excuse me? What? Excuse me? That's a good one. Hey you in the front row, are you coming backstage? After the show, because I got
That was your dirty ass.
dressed in a room, a bottle of vodka.
Get your crotch out my face.
You love it.